Welcome to Sky Podcast.
A Spotify exclusive.
Yes, my
I was
darling.
just thinking na parang, do you ever have moments where you feel like parang stuck ka somewhere? Because I feel like a lot of people are going through this.
Yeah.
Na parang,
Like, eto na ba?
is
Ganito lang
this-
ba?
Is this life? Is
Or
this...
hanggang dito lang ba ako?
Yes. I've had mga ganyan na mga moments. Some like, it's a week-long thing. And paminsan like, it's like, I really cannot see my future or I cannot imagine na ganito lang ang gagawin ko buong buhay ko.
Yeah. You know what? I haven't experienced it career-wise because I'm fortunate enough na nag-iiba yung mga direction ng career ko. So it's always something new. But I experienced it in a relationship before. And I think that also applies. Like feeling stuck in a relationship even when there's nothing wrong. But like, eto na ba? Like, is this supposed to be what I'm gonna feel for the rest of my life? Like, this is it? Yun. Ikaw, work.
Not just work, but just my future and like, kung ano na ba talaga ang gagawin ko sa buhay ko? Is this all that life can offer me? Parang may mga ganyan akong mga moments. Very, ang lalim.
And then I walked into your life and everything changed.
Oo, lalo na
Maliwanag na ang life mo.
Lalo na tuloy yung dumidilim and parang nahihirapan
Nakikita
na talaga.
mo na ang future.
Oo.
Ang saya pala. Never pa na question. Okay, never mind. Go ahead.
No, I was just thinking na parang the Slater that I am today is very much a different person because of a lot of steps that I have taken throughout my life. And like parang naiisip ko lang na this is something and I think I have this opinion that a lot of people are going through this because I talk to mga possible employees or even mga katrabaho ko and yung mga employees din nila. Parang very paminsan nag-share sa kanila na saan ba ako papunta or parang ganyan
Yeah.
na or parang
But this is all in the context of work and career growth.
in work and career growth but also in life din. Pero I'm just thinking na parang nangyayari to especially now because we have a lot of access to a lot of things on social media and the internet na parang bakit sila ganito na?
Exactly.
Bakit ganyan? Tapos ako ganito lang.
Yeah. Oh, the same naman yung job namin. Bakit siya, ito na yung salary? Or may mga bonus trip na ganun. Tapos ako
Yes.
wala. Like,
Oo.
everything's a comparison these days because of
Yes.
social media.
Yeah. Pero sa akin when I was before nag-PBB ako, naisip ko talaga na parang I was working for my father and parang naisip ko na is this it? It wasn't a bad life.
And there was no social media then, love.
Wala. Even then parang is this it? Like I wake up in the morning, I go to work and then I go home. Hindi naman ako unmotivated pero wala din akong inspiration. Parang okay, parang doing the motions, trabaho ng trabaho, tapos balik and then maybe go out on the weekends and then until parang umabot siya ng parang cycle na siya.
You know, I think a lot of people can relate to that. And I think that's also what you tell me all the time. na when you retire, it's not the life that you expect to have, that you're going to be contented forever doing nothing. Because when
Yes.
you're doing nothing and nothing is progressing in your life,
Oo.
parang it's gonna bore you and it's gonna eat up in your brain. Like, is this it? Diba?
Feeling ko lahat tayo parang gusto natin makikita yung life natin na umaabante tayo.
Yeah.
I think that's one thing also of having a good hobby or a sport na parang makikita mo na I'm improving with this. Maybe it's like you play golf or you play tennis na parang okay, hindi ko kaya tong forehand na to pero after a while, nag-start na improve. Diba? Parang it gives you a little bit of parang motivation to see what you can do next.
Yeah, I
ganun.
feel like that's also why a lot of the workouts that I do, hindi siya naglalast. If
Yeah.
it's just me like following a video and I have no idea what I'm doing, as opposed to like if you sign up for a course or like a class and then first your beginner class and then you go to the next
Yes.
class or like your
Yes.
coach tells you you're improving or this is getting better, you're more motivated to keep going even if it's the same thing that you're doing over and over again because you know that it's moving forward.
Yeah. So, in my story, parang ganyan din yung nafe-feel ko. But, hindi lang before PBB, even after PBB, when I won, maybe a year after that, parang nagiging routine na rin siya na parang,
in showbiz.
In showbiz. Like parang, I attend this event or I have a shoot and then at night, lumalabas and then balik na naman. So I feel like, especially when we feel like we are not moving forward, dun talaga tayo medyo in a rut na parang hindi natin nakikita yung
growth.
What advice would you have for someone na kind of like stuck?
You know, that also applies to even just in a less intense way. For example, work. Diba? We can't expect our growth in work to be coming so fast. Baka sometimes matagal ang promotion or whatever. Or like, for example, content creation. Minsan, stuck ka, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin. Diba? I think it's healthy to get yourself out of that cycle and that routine that you're always doing. Even if it's joining a new sport or cutting your hair different, getting a new look, something different that will kind of ignite something in you. You know, I think that's a start or a catalyst to breaking the cycle. I think it's the cycle and nothing changing in the cycle na para kang hamster in a wheel.
Yeah.
If you kind of do something to break that, I think that's a healthy start.
Yeah. Sa akin, I feel like I've did a lot of like big steps in my life na parang, magsistop ako sa pag-showbiz. Like, ang laki ng magnenegosyo ako.
You know what? You really are a risk taker, no?
Hindi siya risk taker. I feel like, I don't see it as a risk. I see it as, it would be riskier or, yung parang, okay, I see this direction, which I'm not happy with, and I just say, I don't want to be in that direction. So that's already the downside already. If I just go move through this life like this, the downside na siya. So choosing another option doesn't seem like a risk already because talo ka na dun sa isa eh.
Pero alam mo, kasi this is also something off tangent na a lot of people are dealing with. Like they see that this is where, for example, this dead-end relationship, this is going nowhere, but they can't make that commitment or that jump, that decision to get out of it. But for you, it may seem like common sense or super dali lang sa'yo. That's your personality also. Na, okay, you know what? I'm so tired of living here under my father's shadow. I want to create my own thing. Cut. Join showbiz. I'm so tired of showbiz. Cut. Go make my own negosyo. Parang ang galing also on your side that you're able to do that because a lot of people are not.
Well, sa akin may technique din to. And this is something that I learned from my father. It seems like I'm going to this direction and then cut and then going there. But in reality, it's calculated in a way na I'm not cutting it right there and then and moving to something else. It's more of like I'm mixing it together before I can say, okay, I can let go of this na.
Okay. If you guys want to hear the full episode, you can
Check us out on Spotify.
Spotify.